Verse 1. Bow down your ear, O Lord. Hear me, for I am poor and needy. Verse 2. Preserve my life, for I am holy. You are my God. Save your servant who trusts in you. 3. Be merciful to me, O Lord, for I cry to you all day long. 4. Rejoice the soul of your servant. For you, O Lord, I lift up my soul. 5. For you, Lord, are good and ready to forgive, and abundant in mercy to all those who call upon you. Give ear, O Lord, to my prayer, and attend to the voice of my supplication. In the day of my trouble, I will call upon you, for you will answer me. Among the gods, there is none like you, O Lord, nor are there any work like your works. Verse 9. All nations whom you have made shall come and worship before you, O Lord, and shall glorify your name. Then, for you are great and doer to speak. You are God. 11. Teach me your way, O Lord. I will walk in your truth. Unite my heart to fear your name. Verse 12. I will praise you, O Lord my God, with all my heart, and I will glorify your name forevermore. 13. For great is your mercy towards me, and you have delivered my soul for depths of your soul. 14. O God, the proud have risen against me, and among violent men have sought my life, and have not set before them. 15. But you, O Lord, are good, full of compassion, long-suffering, and abundant in mercy and truth. 16. O turn to me and have mercy on me. Give your strength to your servant, and save your son. 17. Show me a sign for good, that those who hate me be ashamed, because you, Lord, have helped me and comforted me. Amen.